What's up, guys? Today we are looking at another piece from my toy collection. These are called Yowie. It was made by Cadbury's, and these are like the Kinder Surprise chocolate eggs. It's very similar. You get like an egg with chocolate and you get a toy. Well, the toy is part of this animal collection thing, and yeah, I'll go through all of them now. So I have a bunch of them. You'll get a picture of the toy that you're going to get, and then hang on a second, focus is going mad. Then you get like a puzzle on this side, and then you get a token. I don't know what the token means though. What does the token mean? The animal has a token. This animal has a token value of 1. This means that it is a common animal and can be seen frequently. Its existence is not currently under threat. Keep this token safe and look out for great yowie offers throughout the year. So just to clarify, that yowie is these kind of creatures, like these cartoon characters that they created. I just a spoiler, I'd never got one of them. I don't know if they did have them. These are a list of the yowie characters here, and then all the animals here. And then this gives a description of the animal itself. So scientific name, I'm not going to even pronounce that. This is a fish. Anyway, we'll go through them. So the first is Clark's, whoops, I'm out of frame. Clark's anemone fish. Lock in that zoom there. Clark's anemone fish. And here we have it. I thought it was a clownfish, but I guess not. And these are quite high quality. These were more expensive than Kinder Surprise, but when I bought them, those were still using pounds. So, I don't know, a pound maybe, which was, could be wrong. 50p springs to mind. High quality. If you notice that they haven't really worn at all. I kept them in a metal box and they're in very good condition. Oh, it's written down here as well. Number 1, anemone fish. Let's put that over here. Let's go to the next one. Rainbow lorikeet. This is like a parrot. The textures on these are pretty good as well. I don't know if these are handmade or mass produced, but they are pretty good, and like the level of detail is quite high. There we have rainbow lorikeet. Next is the green tree frog. The green tree frog, and it's sitting on a tree branch, webbed feet. It's kind of hard to do it justice. I don't have the swivel turn style thing. We'll just look at it. Look at its bum. Tree frog. I like this lime green of this tree frog. Okay, next we have is the southern death adder. Where is it? Here we go. Pretty sure this is it. Yeah. It says here adder. That's what it looks like. Try it. The head is there and it's kind of curled up in a defense position. Next is the depressed spiny skink. It's a lizard type creature. This kind of weird looking brown color. That's the depressed spiny skink. Next we have is the emerald cuckoo wasp. I remember I have 2 of these. Just look at the bottom there. So it's a cuckoo wasp sitting on a leaf. The textures are really nice on these. Like they're etched to mimic the skin of the animal. Emerald cuckoo wasp. The color on that is quite nice. Next we have is the chestnut teal. This is a kind of a duck type thing. So we have this duck here. Well, I don't know if it's a duck. Spotted chest, the wings there. There's details in these. Like, it's not like the Kinder toys where it's a bit of plastic that you can break. This beautiful freshwater duck lives in the wilds around the edge of secluded lakes, lagoons, or mangrove swamps. The male has brown feathers set off by bright green feathers on his head, while the female is all brown. In the morning or evening, chestnut teals forage for food in the shallow waters in the midday heat. They love to rest on a cool mud bank. That is the chestnut teal. Jewel shield beetle. I thought I had a couple of these. This is quite nice. This is sitting on this kind of flower, and it is a beetle. I like how the picture, like, they're really matching the picture. It's not just a cartoon. If you can see the face of it, it's textured and it's really nice. I don't know what happened to these, but it would be nice to see like the quality of toys like that. Ugh, trapdoor spider, trapdoor spider, trapdoor spider. Hang on a second, I have... Oh, it's kind of hard to touch. It's not real. But yeah. I'm not a big fan of spiders, but this is a trapdoor spider. Oh, this is the one that makes a trapdoor underneath the dirt, and then when it senses food coming, then it jumps out of the trapdoor and eats that. Trapdoor spider. Look at that picture. Next we have is the masked owl. Masked owl. It's very nice. Perched on a tree branch with its wings wide open. With the speckled wings, speckled back as well. The feathers, well, the mimicking feathers here. These are all made of some kind of plastic resin. They're kind of soft but not rubbery. Next we have is the marsupial mole. Look at this guy. If you know in the comment section down below, please let me know if these were actually mass produced or handmade. Because I find it hard. Because these, I don't know anybody else that has collected these. I liked animals, so I collected them. I wanted on this, like the dingo, kangaroo, penguin. There was I'm not a fan of bugs. I like lizards. Yeah, I like lizards. Yeah, I think that's what I wanted. That's the marsupial mole. Striped possum. I have two of these. See, the thing about these is that you won't always get a different one. You might get the same one a couple of times, which is the surprise. Here we have a possum with a long tail, and you can see its feet. Quite nice. See its face there. Two of these. A pair of possums. We have a bandy, this kind of black and white snake. This one looks nicer than the death adder. It's like in movement. That's the bottom side of it. It's textured as well. Very nice. Actually, can you see? Its eyes are painted as well. Very nice. Bandy, we have the Eastern Barred Bandicoot. Eastern Barred Bandicoot, yeah. This is that guy. Just looks like a mouse with a super long tail. There's the face. feet are painted as well. And do you see like this tail can be, it's not, it's made out of something like a resin or something. Bottlenose dolphin. I wish they had a bigger version of this. This one's quite nice. Bottlenose dolphin. The dorsal fin. The two flippers here. The tail fin. Very nice. And it kind of stands as well, like so. Next we have is the scorpion. It's a very skinny looking scorpion. Just want to go back. Bottlenose dolphin. Scorpion. Scorpion. The actual the look of this scorpion I do like a lot better than the picture itself. It's got its claws, its stinger, and it's sitting on a rock. Very nice. Scorpion. The northern mastiff bat. This guy is a scary looking guy. So the bat wings are spread out. You can see its feet, and they kind of mimicked the actual wing bones. The back of it is textured as well. The face, they actually kind of did quite well with the eyes and that kind of weird nose that they have. Northern mastiff bat. Tasmanian devil. I have two of these guys. Right here like that. There's the bottom side. Very nice. I think we're almost done. Last one is the Sydney funnel web spider. It's very dark looking, and it has the, you know, where it spins the web out of its bum. I'm not a fan of spiders. This picture doesn't please me either. But yeah, that is it. There's a bonus one, which is the crab. I'm just gonna look through the list. It says swimmer crab number 13. So I do have the crab, but I don't have the paper. I don't know what happened to it. Must have been lost. So we have this blue swimmer crab. And that is my yowie collection. If you have other animals in this collection, that'd be great. I'd like to, you know, see if anybody has a full collection. That would be great. Yep. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section down below. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Join us on Discord. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.